how you doing? I'm here with no makeup. I'm just chilling. I wanted to show you guys these clip-ins. First off, I was like, this ain't gonna work. You guys saw the first clip where I had just my natural hair and how poofy it is once I just wash it, condition it, and blow dry it. So I was like, this is not gonna work. When I make a unit, I at minimum use 3 bundles because I have either a closure or I have a frontal. This is not going to work. But once I actually put the clip-ins in, I had to sit and say, oh, it's the illusion. It's not like you want to actually put clip-ins like you're putting down tracks, because it's just one bundle of hair, and these extensions, these clip-ins are 20 inches. So I was like, okay, once I realized that I had 20 inches, I was like, the longer you get the length, well, you hear me? The longer the lengths are, let me get my English together. The longer the lengths are, the less hair you get, because it's by, I think grams or something like that. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm not going to have enough hair. Let's get into it. As you see in the clip, it came in the same box from Sassina, and it's just a smaller box because it's not so many bundles. And they gave me, as you can see, they gave me the actual hair. Then they gave me a comb, which I love. I did use to detangle the hair. It was no tangles. And they gave me some lashes. Guys, I'm gonna learn one day how to put some lashes on. And they gave me some extra clips, which I probably won't need because they did an amazing job in putting the actual wefts on the clips. So it came with 6 or 7, I want to say 6 pieces. This is one of the pieces that I did not use because I wasn't like I was having anything on the side. So I didn't put this guy in, and I only had one guy like this that was small, I should say. So it's 20 inches, and I was like, oh man, maybe I should have got like an 18 or a 16, and it probably would have been more wefts. But in all reality, I didn't need it because look, and my hair is still kinky. I have not straightened anything. I did wash the bundle. I keep saying but I did wash the clip-ins in its bundle state, so the actual roots are still a little bit damp. I did blow dry it because I wanted to get that kind of frizz look because my hair is kinky. But however, guys, this is how my hair would look once I straighten out. My hair, my natural hair, straightens out really, really good, especially when I get done by a professional. It straightens really, really well. And this is what it's going to look like. So I am kind of happy I got these, but I am going to get the kinky ones because this would be a good way for us to let our hair breathe. The clips are not tight whatsoever. I was afraid of that. If you guys remember, I did a clip-in video of some curly hair. I'll leave that up below because I did a different pattern on how I install the actual clip-ins. I think I twist my hair, then I put the clips in the twist. But however, I blow dried my hair, I parted my hair, and I just stuck the clips inside. And the clips are not tight, they're not tugging. I don't feel like I'm gonna have any issues with breakage because the clips itself are actually smooth. So don't worry about that. Just be careful how you put it in and how you take it out. Don't be rough, you have to be gentle. So I'm gonna come in a little bit and just show you. You see where my hair is, which is right around up in here, and then where the extensions go. Now, if I went outside like this, I'm sure once the light hit it, they're gonna be like, whoo, what's wrong with this chick? But if I was to put it in a bun, a nice high bun, like let me show you. Let me sit back a little bit. If I put it in a nice bun, and I wrap it around, this looks like so 80s right here. I grew up in the 80s. It's a difference. Let me get into this real quick. When people say 80s baby to me is someone who might have been born in the 70s and you were a baby in the 80s. And you kind of somewhat been in the 80s. Not like you're an 80s baby because you was born in 1983. You get it? I don't know. Maybe I'll correct me. So I put it up and there you go. Doesn't that look cute? And then doing it this way, you really can't even tell where my hair begins and starts. I would do like a some curling wands and have it going. It looks too cute. Ladies, you know me. Let me take it down. You know me. I hate to sleep in wigs. Oh my God, I hate to sleep in tracks. This is like the way to go. And it feels so nice and light. You could tell there's something in there, but you won't feel like you won't feel afraid to like move your hair around. You know, you move your head around and like swing it back and forth. You won't feel that. And then you got it back here. I like it. I'm going to, you will see more of these clip-ins. Trust me when I tell you. I'm going to put this up in a nice quick ponytail and make it into a bun because I got to go food shopping. And I want to see how it looks. I'm just so amazed. I am so happy I washed this hair. Because sometimes I don't wash my extensions until after I finish making the unit. And I knew that I was going to put this in my hair. I washed my hair, so these clip-ins had to be clean. So I'm so happy because it's body wave. And I wanted to make sure I didn't have that, you know, that real hard twist like this. But guys, what do you think? What do you think? I got all my lights on, so, you know, you can definitely tell where my hair starts and begins. But just think about once I actually straighten it. I'm going to leave all the information down below. This is some really cool clip-ins. I love the way they constructed it. I love how they give you a nice good comb so you can comb things out. And this comb is really good for, you know, me being a natural, to detangle your hair when it's wet and to detangle your extensions as well. So now I have 2 of these beautiful combs and I am stoked. So hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.